Welcome to this video showcasing one of the most crucial steps in the fishing industry, the unloading process from a deep-sea tuna fishing vessel. Let's explore the meticulous work of the crew on board, where every tuna is handled with care to ensure the best quality for consumers. Out at sea, tuna is caught using various methods, such as handle lines, long lines, or purse seines, each ensuring optimal quality. After being caught, the tuna is chilled or deep frozen on the vessel at temperatures ranging from -20°C to -60°C. This process helps maintain freshness and high quality, especially crucial for tuna used in premium sashimi or sushi dishes. Before the unloading process begins, the workers carefully inspect the storage compartments to ensure the best preservation conditions. The tuna is meticulously arranged in cold storage to prevent damage or deformation during the long journey across the ocean. When the vessel docks at the port, the unloading process starts. Specialized equipment such as cranes, conveyor systems, and large nets are used to transfer the tuna from the ship's compartments to the shore. Each tuna fish is thoroughly inspected during this process to meet the highest quality standards. This task requires seamless coordination between machinery and human labor, as well as the skill and experience of the workers. Onshore, the tuna is sorted by size, weight, and quality. The finest fish with perfect color and freshness are selected for export or high-end product processing. Quality control specialists conduct rigorous inspections to ensure that the tuna reaching consumers meets the highest standards. The tuna industry not only provides a nutritious source of food, but also makes significant contributions to the economy. From fishing to processing and trade, millions of workers worldwide rely on this industry. Tuna is not just a source of income for fishermen, but also a cultural and culinary bridge between nations. Despite its many benefits, the tuna industry also faces significant challenges. Overfishing threatens the depletion of certain tuna species, especially bluefin tuna. Climate change and stringent international market standards add further pressure. To ensure sustainable development, many countries and organizations have promoted environmental protection initiatives and adopted modern technologies. Tuna, after being transported to the factory, is placed on a conveyor belt for initial sorting. The fish is then processed by tail cutting and thawing to facilitate further processing. After thawing, tuna is further classified in detail based on the grade of the meat and fat content. This is a crucial step to ensure that the fish portions meet the specific requirements of various products, such as sashimi production, canning, or industrial processing. Tuna is divided into 4 main sections along the backbone to facilitate the removal of inedible parts. The backbone and rib bones are completely removed, ensuring the meat is clean and free from impurities. This process uses specialized cutting machines, which enhance speed and ensure precision. The remaining skin, bone fragments, and blood are carefully scraped off using specialized equipment. This not only ensures a visually appealing product, but also helps maintain product quality. Fish fins are removed using grinding machines, a process requiring precision to avoid damaging the fish meat. Subsequently, any small traces of blood left in the fish are cleaned with automated grinding devices to achieve the highest hygiene standards. After removing unnecessary parts, the tuna is cut into smaller portions based on the requirements of the final products. Some meat portions are kept intact to be used in premium dishes. Other parts are cut into smaller pieces to suit canned products, ready-to-eat meals, or the food processing industry. The tuna portions, after being cut, are transferred to a washing conveyor. Here, high-pressure water jets are used to thoroughly clean the fish surfaces, removing any remaining dirt or debris. This washing process also ensures the fish retains its natural freshness. The selected tuna portions are fed into grinding machines to produce a fine material suitable for further processing into products such as tuna pate or tuna in sauce. The ground tuna is directly fed into automatic packaging machines, where it is portioned into small packets with standardized weights. This step ensures hygiene and uniformity of the product. All the small packaged products are passed through an automated scanning system. The system checks for foreign objects, defects, or any undesirable issues within the packages. The portions of tuna not ground are sliced into standard-sized pieces using high-grade automatic cutting machines. Modern equipment ensures uniform thickness and shape of the slices, meeting the requirements for commercial or retail purposes. The tuna is combined with sauce or vegetable oil, and then fed into an automatic filling and packaging line. This system ensures absolute hygiene and saves time during the production process. The packaged products are inspected once more before being sent into a quick freezing tunnel. This technology preserves the tuna's freshness and nutritional value for an extended period without compromising its natural flavor. Finally, the product is passed through an automated line for final packaging and weight inspection. Any discrepancies in weight are rejected to ensure uniformity and uphold the product's quality and reputation.